Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I have made a price range slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So yes, I created this price slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which involves developing a user interface element that allows user to select a price range by selecting the handles on a track. So here are the detailed description of this project. First one is objectives. What are the objectives of this project? So developing a web component that allow user to select a price range using a slider with two handles. One is the minimum and another one is the maximum price. Talking about the technology used, I have here used HTML for structuring the slider on component. So I'm delving into the coding part and this is the HTML file for structuring the slider component. This is the CSS part for styling the slider and its handles, and this is the JavaScript file for handling the slider logic, updating the values and reflecting the selected price range dynamically. Talking about the features, it is a dual slider handles, which means two handles for selecting the minimum as well as the maximum prices. Dynamic value display, which means that it shows the currently selected price range, and I'll show you. And the customizable track and handles, which allows for styling customization of the slider track and handles. I have also a responsive design, ensure the slider book works on different screen sizes, be it the desktop, be it the tablet, and the mobile screens. So yes, talking about the implementation details, I have used HTML structure, so a container to hold the entire slider component, input elements, two range input elements for minimum and maximum values, and then value display element to display the selected price range. Then I have a CSS styling which tracks and handles so custom styles for slider track and handle to enhance appearance. I have also a responsive design. So media query to ensure the slider looks good on both the desktop and as well as the mobile screen. Talking about the JavaScript event listener, I have added event listener to the slider handles to detect changes. So yes, this is the final output, and this is the minimum range and this is the maximum range price, sorry. And if I change it to, let's say, year, it is showing 454. Again, I'm again increasing it 1899. Became year also change it, so you can see changes here. And this is the maximum price, you can see here. So yes, this is the final output. Talking about the logic behind uh, this project, I've created the structure using HTML tag. You can see here like div h2 for heading, feed for display instruction, and HTML input tag to enter a required range, and also a given class name to each div. Talking about this again, styling the structure with CSS using classes and element, and in JavaScript select the price range. So I have a query selector. Yes, so this, sorry, yes, this add event listener would, I have added this add event listener to price and range input elements. Then for handling the price input, price input changes, I updated the slider and input values based on the condition. And then last one, yes, sorry, and then last one, handle range. Yes, for handling the range and input, adjust the input values to meet the price gap and update price input values and slider position. So yes, this is the final output. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.